Elon Musk doesn't often mention the Tesla Semi because the truth is it's not one of the company's core products like the Model 3 or Model Y. But whenever he does bring it up, we know something big is coming. Here's what Elon Musk recently said about the semi-truck.
We're also building the Tesla Semi factory. This is a vehicle that some people said was impossible to build, that it defied physics. Well, not only does it not defy physics, we're going to be making a lot of them. So we're going to make I think ultimately we'll make over a millions probably of the Tesla Semi. And this is really going to be something that you'll see all over the place, and it'll also be autonomous, or have the ability to go autonomous down the road.
We know a lot of people don't like Elon Musk because of his habit of hyping up his products. But there's one truth we need to recognize objectively. Everything Elon Musk promises eventually happens. It might be delayed or take longer than expected, but it does come. When it comes to the Tesla Semi, it's considered the company's most challenging vehicle to manufacture. And as Elon Musk mentioned in the audio, it defies the limits of physics. The entire spec sheet of the Semi breaks every convention for a battery electric Class 8 truck. But that's just the prototype. It's not the official production version yet. The Semis Tesla has built so far are vehicles made for testing purposes. As Sawyer Merritt, a prominent Tesla investor, confirmed, the Tesla Semis that are currently on the road are Gen 1. The Gen 2 Semis will come in the near future with the opening of their volume production facility in Nevada. Yeah, and the Gen 2 Semi is the main focus we want to talk about in today's episode. There will be a lot of major upgrades and additions in this official version. One of the biggest being full self-driving, something the current version doesn't have and something no other Class 8 truck in the world has ever featured. It might sound risky to say no way a truck can't drive itself on the road, but Tesla is seriously planning to roll it out with the 2026 variant. This is part of their push to attract more truck drivers and reshape the industry. So, what's coming with the Gen 2 Semi? Will the price go up or down? And is full self-driving really a good fit for a big rig like this? Let's break down every change right now. According to a report from Next Big Future, a news outlet that covers Tesla and other EV-related technologies, some key developments are coming to the Tesla Semi, as revealed earlier this month. First off, the article states, the second generation or Gen 2 Tesla Semi has new batteries and design improvements like new mirrors for better sight lines and aerodynamics, plus a drop glass for easier cargo access. In fact, this change was officially confirmed by Dan Priestley, lead of the Tesla Semi engineering team, during a major event in early May. We have a new mirror design, better sight lines, better aerodynamics, better performance overall. On top of that, we added a drop glass. There's a lot of fixed infrastructure, whether it's gate operations or interacting with a port or a telecom. These will make drivers' lives easier. Currently, the Tesla Semi prototypes use physical side mirrors integrated with 3 cameras on each side combined with a camera monitor system that sends live feeds to 2 15-inch screens inside the cabin. This setup meets U.S. regulatory requirements, while also optimizing aerodynamics and providing full 360 degrees visibility with 0 blind spots. However, it's still unclear what Tesla plans to do with the new mirrors on the Gen 2 version. They might add more cameras. That's definitely a possibility. Or, as Dan Priestley hinted, the new mirrors will further improve aerodynamics and visibility. That could suggest a smaller physical mirror design paired with more advanced camera integration. Yeah, we're hoping Tesla keeps the physical mirrors for the Semi. What's your prediction? Please drop a comment below. An upcoming change in the next version is that Tesla will be adding a drop glass. We believe many people are in the same boat as us, since very few of us actually understand what drop glass really means. What we do understand is that the driver's seat in the Tesla Semi is positioned in the center, and the camera system helps reduce blind spots. However, drivers may face difficulties when they need to interact directly with external systems, like gates or ports, due to the lack of a lowerable window or the need to open the cabin door. So, the drop glass might be a new feature designed to help Tesla Semi drivers handle situations that require direct interaction, like handing over documents at a gate or checking for small objects close to the truck. A drop glass window could improve direct visibility and reduce the need to rely entirely on cameras. Did we miss anything? If you have a better understanding of what drop glass is, feel free to explain it to us below. In recent years, not all, but most refreshed Tesla vehicles have been updated with a new light bar, a branding highlight that Elon Musk seems to be establishing. According to a report from Next Big Future, they wrote, it was redesigned headlights with a modern LED light bar, a potential sleeper cab for long-haul comfort. It has improved aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.36, 30% better than diesel trucks. It has a tri-motor powertrain with 7% efficiency gains. This aligns perfectly with what we mentioned earlier, that a Semi was spotted wrapped in shrink film with its front bumper oddly exposed, hinting at the presence of a new front light bar. This would likely help with visual distinction compared to earlier prototypes. Of course, this wouldn't be the main headlights. Those would be positioned below the light bar. Of course, this is ultimately just speculation and not something we can say with certainty. But if it turns out to be true, we believe the design looks modern and aligns well with the design direction Tesla has been pursuing. What do you think if the Semi actually adopts this design? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The fourth design change, absolutely worth mentioning, is Tesla's plan to introduce a sleeper cab. This is no longer a prediction or rumor. It's something that's definitely going to happen. We'd bet on it. Why? Because Dan Priestley mentioned this a while ago. We recall that it was sometime last year when he said the Semi would eventually feature a sleeper cab, allowing drivers to make long-haul deliveries over multiple days. This is probably the biggest update that has us excited about the next G Semi. You know, sleep is incredibly important for truck drivers. Most truck-related accidents